Hi folks, good morning here. This is Ben with Pierre Driving School. As always, early morning lesson. All right, today we have some snow going on. All right, snow driving lesson early in the morning. Nothing changes, it's just require a little bit more cautious. Okay, so when you're driving in the snow, lessons are still going until DMV says otherwise. Okay, welcome to winter. All right, so when you're driving in the snow, you just have to be a bit more careful on how you're braking and you're accelerating, because the car can slide, and that can lead to places that we don't want it to be. We have to be very cautious when it comes down to this. You see, I started braking already with this stop here. I was going a little bit too fast actually. Okay, do all the verification, nothing changes. Okay, and try your best not to accelerate heavy on the snow. The car will skid, the tire will skid quick. All right, folks, the tire will skid quick and the car may go all over the place. Okay, and the car may go all over the place. All right, so yes, we're shooting this video as they're going along. This video probably already showing late during the summer, but hey, driving is driving. All right, folks, so anything here you guys want me to cover, put in the comment below. If you haven't met before, my name is Ben. I'm an instructor here at Pierre Driving School, and this channel we do everything driving. So if you're new here, consider to subscribe and hit the notification icon, so each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you follow the tips that we share in this channel here, you should be building up some confidence. However, always keep in mind, driving is pragmatic. You have to be doing it to get it. The more you do it, the more you do, the better you'll get. Okay, so we're doing a lesson. We're dropping the videos every three times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we answer into questions every morning on our first lesson. All right, so we are located in Brooklyn, New York. If you are anywhere in the United States, in the US area, in the Brooklyn area, in the New York area, you need our help, check our website, pierrepoldriving.com. All right, we do left and right every single morning. There is a snow driving lesson today. Okay, pay good attention with everything. Okay, what is this guy trying to do here? You see what I'm saying? Paying attention. Require more braking distance as you would on the regular to give you room to see around if need be. All right, to give you room to move around if need be. Start braking as far as you can, very soft, gentle on the brake. You don't want to hit the brake hard. When it's snow driving, the car gonna slid. All right, car just fly past by. At the corner, we're making a left turn. Started slowing down already. heavy blind spot on my side, on my left side, because of that school bus. Make my blind spot very heavy. Oh wow. Let me reverse it a little bit. So how much is the blind spot first? How much is heavy is the blind spot? And it's snowing too? Make my life difficult more. Right on a just light here. The snow is not that heavy, but it drops some on the ground that can get the ground slip enough for you to slide if you don't do what you're supposed to. Mirror right, shoulder right, and we go from there. Right on at the light here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and we go from there. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Real cautious, folks. But lessons are still going. However, DMV didn't cancel anything, and it's not bad anyway to cancel with lesson. All right, so because oftentimes certain think that when it's a little bit raining or snow, they can just take initiative of canceling lessons, or what test doesn't go that way. You know, the lesson's still going, and we don't want to give lesson in the snow anyway if we cannot. But if need be, we have to do what we have to do. We have to learn how to drive in the snow anyway. So, you know what I'm saying? Shoulder left. Go to with the turn. We're going around here, signal left, mirror left, shoulder left, and go around. Always stop sign. they kind of early morning like this and it's snowing, okay, it increases your security distance. What I mean by that, you have to be more cautious. The reason why, people now, because you're not looking for trouble, the way that people are driving can bring trouble to you. And here's the sad part about it: you can't do nothing, because if you try to do something extra, then you're gonna create somebody else's trouble. You're gonna be someone else's trouble, you know. So you're gonna have to just suck it in, right in here, mirror right, shoulder right, and deal with it until you fix it. You know what I mean? Until the car gonna hit you. To avoid all that, always pay attention on your surroundings. Okay. But it's not too bad, especially the backwards, so it's not that bad. This guy just pulling out. There you have it, folks. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. It was a slow driving lesson today. Like, share, and subscribe. Anybody that you know that can benefit from this video, share it with them, because showing a person how to get a license in New York City is one of the biggest gifts you can ever give someone. Until then, keep practicing. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye. Okay? Thanks.